All right, folks, we have a little train porn coming at you. We have a nice little locomotive coming into Myeonghuk Station, and this looks like it is a cattle car, maybe? Let's see what's coming up. Lots of different freight on it. Some oil, some liquid. Fairly short one. One of the things that still continues to boggle my mind is just how frequently these trains pull through here and there's no screen doors. And as you saw, they were moving at a pretty good clip. Without any screen doors, unfortunately, Korea does have the highest suicide rate. So every once in a while, you do see someone jump into the tracks. I really wish those kinds of freight trains would be relegated to the tracks behind me here. Even though there's no screen doors here, but at least they have the train. Oh, see, here's another one coming right through here. That's at least a transport, semi-old train. But still, it's just so easy to hop. Screen doors, gotta have them.